Hello there! We are back for another installment of What's Wrong with this iPhone. Um, this one is an iPhone 8. Look at the pretty back glass here, and it doesn't even have a model number on it. So, but anyways, I guess the glass is the tell. iPhone 8 Plus. Inside, exciting. Not that exciting. Oh, about to blow the backlight filter. Okay, so the problem with this phone is I think it was probably a DIY screen repair and the no display afterwards. And I think the guy said that he can see something. I think he said he saw something dangling from the side somewhere and he needed it fixed. Oh, hold on a second. I think I jacked it up actually. Okay, you know what? Let's just go straight to the scope here. This thing is running so slow, man. Okay, so looking under the scope, you can see that there is a component that is dislodged and okay, you can see that right there. All right, so here's your little, looks like a filter because it's black, and it looks like it should go right there. Yeah. And I don't even know what line this is, but I'm gonna guess that it's probably a display line. So we go to ZXW tools. We click on iPhone 8 Plus 8P. I don't know if this is the Intel version, the Qualcomm version. So we'll just, you know what? It's got like a touch thing here too. That's weird. Okay. All right. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. This looks like the right one here. So this filter right here connects the display PP1B8 display con to PP1B8 IO. Okay. So let's see. So that probably handles the display. So we're just gonna, hopefully this is just a very simple fix here. We're just gonna put this sucker back and pop the screen back on, and hopefully everything is golden after that, right? Let me see if I can focus this a little bit. I know this can be a very complex, complicated repair here, so. Alright, let's get back to business here. Okay, so we're just gonna reuse this filter here, and we're gonna go as close as possible so that you guys can see what the hell's going on, but this is really nothing too exciting here. So if you're trying to do this without one of these micro tweezers, I'll just say good luck. I just don't. Yeah, better send it off to somebody to fix these things. Okay. So he might be able to do it with a big soldering iron, but I think it's going to be doubtful. I think it's doubtful. Well, there's nothing else to it. To get rid of some of this flux here. Sometimes the flux is a little bit sticky. And I'll tell you what I like doing, man. I like, okay, so I got my little hot air gun here. I like setting it to 250 degrees Celsius and 59 airflow, and I just kind of blow at it a little bit, you know, and it just kind of melts the flux a little bit so that you can kind of wipe it away with the isopropyl alcohol. And that seems to help a little bit. Because when people get their phones back, and you know, if they're a cell phone repair shop, they don't really want to see flux everywhere, you know. So that right there, and then you dry it up a little bit. So the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, you know. The flux does not. So that looks pretty right there. And let's just make sure this joint is good. Oh, did you notice that? Did you know that pad is missing? It's still missing. So we got to run a jumper for the pad. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's underneath. It's underneath the coil. Oh my gosh! It goes all the way to the front side. No! No! Man, that sucks. Is there a test point or something I can jump it to? Oh no! 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 Oh man. I thought this was gonna be easy one, man. Oh no, 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 no. No, no, no. I just keep saying no. Hope it'll go away. Well, I'll see if I can maybe just I was hoping this would be easy. Alright, so okay, I'll show you guys what I'm going to do, but I'm going to use a little bit of flux solder paste, okay, because that seems to work a little bit better in really, really tight situations like this. And then okay, so we'll just do that, put a little, and then maybe we can create a ball somehow. No! Sucks. So what do we do here, man? Do we run a long jumper? Or do we run a short jumper? Not exactly what I was. Man. Every time I dig, man, it's like something bad happens. Dig the pad. That'll be a last resort, I think. Let's just see if we can maybe just do one of these or something. I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm losing. Oh no, I'm burning the connector a little bit too. Dang it. Ay, ay, ay. Ah, my fingers are cramping. Alright, let's see what our options are, man. Run long jumper to the top side of the board. Holy moly, that's a long jumper, man. So we would have to run a jumper all the way to here. Or we can dig it. We can dig it and pray. Man, oh man. I don't know what to do. Let's see. Well, I mean, I see a little dot, so I think maybe what we can do is just get it to hold, and then, and then maybe put some green stuff on it. Easy, okay. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. It'd probably help if I actually maybe did a little bit of a diode mode before I started here. I feel like my okay. Let's do a little diode mode so that we know what we're dealing with before we gosh. Alright, so I see a little bit here. I just want to make sure that after I get it connected that it really is connected. 0.292, I think. 0.292 on this side and nothing on this side because that's the connector side. Okay. So it looks like I might need a new filter too. Maybe. No. It's alright. Is this filter dead? Let's see. Filter, filter, filter. Okay, it's got 3 sides to it. One side is dead. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to try to get this side first. I think we need some more flux. Okay. Oh, that's pretty solid. That's pretty solid. Okay, now let's get the other side, and then we'll put some green stuff on it. Test it, and then put some green stuff on it. Okay, so don't know. Gotta be careful. No, I just disrupted it. Bad. Okay, so that side is good. Now we gotta get back to this. You know what? I'm just gonna do a double tap here. Okay. Alright, that's pretty tight. So let's diode mode it, and hopefully we get 0.295 on both sides. We'll just do it on this side because that'll tell us. 0.293. Okay, that's good. So we are good for now. Gently brush away the flux because we're gonna have to put some green stuff, which green stuff doesn't like to hold when it's wet down below. And I'm just gonna blow it a little bit with some hot air, 250 degrees Celsius with airflow of 59. And then I'll just put a little bit of more IPA here, wash away the flux. Dry it up a little bit with the other side of the Q-tip, and then blow it again. I really don't think that's tight. This is my concern, you know. One little drop and we're cooked. So let me just kind of nudge it just a little bit. Yeah, this is not really tight, man. It's not tight at all, really. I mean, that's kind of tight. Kind of tight. Yeah, it's definitely connected. I mean, but the ball is so small that, let's see, 0.298. Okay, so we're good. It's definitely connected. So I think maybe we'll just test it and then we'll put green stuff on it, or maybe even like super glue or something, or maybe not super glue, but we'll put something on it that'll hold it tight so it doesn't move, doesn't expand, doesn't move. But I think the real way is probably just to run a long jumper, but we will take that risk. Okay, so let's power this puppy up and see if it works. Well, the good news is the battery symbol showed up, so I'm just gonna let it charge for a little bit, and I'll restart this video. This is a cruddy screen. Oh my gosh, what did he do to it? So what a screen, man. It's got all kinds of gunk on it, though. It's all got all kinds of gunk on this, man. It's like they spilled oil on it. Definitely spilled some sort of oil. Right, we're gonna let this charge for a little bit. We are getting a display now, so that's good. And then if all checks out well, then I'm gonna bang it with my hand a few times to just make sure that filter doesn't come loose. And then I'll put some green stuff on to hold it tight, and hopefully that'll be it. So yeah, the battery symbol's coming on, so I'm gonna pause it real quick and I'll be back. Alright, so this puppy is back in business here. You can see the display works. The screen's all jacked up, and we don't have a passcode for this thing. Despite asking for the passcode, sometimes people don't want to give up the passcode. But I can say I think this is all good for now. So this is iPhone 8 Plus, no display problem after a DIY screen repair. All right. It was just a filter. I'm gonna put some green stuff on it and use the UV lamp to cure it, and hopefully that'll hold it in place, and we'll be fine from there. Okay. Otherwise, you know, alternatives to run a long jumper, but we're not gonna have to do that for this one. All right. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching our videos. Just wanted to let you know that we have an online course out there. It is a comprehensive course which covers everything from understanding components all the way to data recovery. And in between that, we have a ZXW tools course and three of the most common repairs: backlight, touch, charge. So we actually created a course. It's 3.5 hours of content, and it's the full curriculum. It's 4 courses combined into one. We've added sections on there, bonus sections, to show you how to set up your hot air station, your soldering iron, and in your DC power supply. And we're going to be adding stuff probably just about every week here to this course. Course is 150 bucks. We host it at udemy.com. If you want to buy it, just go to microsoldering.com, click on store, and then click on microsoldering, the full curriculum. Thanks for watching.